You can use ground beef in this soup, but you have to cook it separate and drain the grease off. You can't cook it in with the veggies. I'm doing chicken today. Got a little bit of a head start. Had 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. 280 milligrams of sodium. Chopped up a small onion, 3 milligrams. Minced 1 garlic clove, and chopped up 1/3 of a red bell pepper, 2 milligrams. I put my chicken and the veggies in a non-stick skillet. Didn't need to add any oil. Just turned it on and cooked it until the chicken was done, and then shredded it. My pot has got 2 quarts of bottled water with no sodium in it, because my tap water's got sodium. 6 packages of Herb Ox sodium-free chicken bouillon. My grocery store, Walmart, Amazon, and Healthy Heart Market. The chicken and the onions with the little garlic and the red pepper going in my pot. Three tablespoons of no salt added tomato paste, 22 milligrams. 1 15-ounce can of petite cut diced tomatoes, no salt added, 53 milligrams. McCormick has a chipotle chili, 1 teaspoon, 0 sodium, cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon, has 1 cumin, 2 teaspoons, have 8, and oregano leaves, 1/2 teaspoon, 1. Going in there. 1/2 cup or 4 ounces of roasted green chili. There's a video on my channel you may want to watch. No sodium roasted green chilies. The little can has got 480. 2 cups of frozen corn, and my package says it has no sodium. 1 15-ounce can of Bush black beans has 1,350 milligrams of sodium. This morning, while I was just doing stuff around here, I took 3/4 of a cup of black beans, cooked them with bottled water, and they're cooked and ready for soup. It's right at 2 cups. Subscribe to my channel, and you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe every Friday. The soup is going to go on my stove with the lid. I'll just simmer that for about 1/2 hour, 45 minutes, with the flavors mingle with all the good things that are in there. Then I'll measure it, tell you how much sodium is in the whole pot and how much is in a cup. We have 13 cups of soup. And our total, 372 milligrams, 29 milligrams per cup. You can garnish the soup with chopped green onion, chopped fresh cilantro, sliced avocado, If your sodium will allow it, you can add some cheese, or you can have sour cream. Newton's Hampshire sour cream has 10 milligrams for 2 tablespoons. Scatter the top of your bowl with tortilla strips. You have a video on my channel that shows how to make those tortilla strips very low sodium. My husband's going to want to put sour cream on his. Oh, I think he's about ready to do that. 13 cups is a lot of soup, but don't worry about that because it freezes great. Put it in a zipper freezer bag, and you'll have soup whenever you want it.